damage. As Alana did mention, hundreds of thousands of people woke up this morning to damage, destruction, and power outages, all a result of the powerful wind gusts along the Wasatch Front.
ABC4's Rosie Nguyen joins us live from downtown Salt Lake City after patrolling damaged areas all morning and all afternoon. So, Rosie, what have you seen out there?
Rick, Emily, we've seen an abundance of fallen trees throughout the area, some even uprooted from the ground. We wanted to show you one that caught our attention. If you look closely, in these branches, you can see a damaged car that's just buried underneath all of those branches. When we drove along the east side of Salt Lake City, we saw blocks of businesses forced to close because of no electricity. As our Nick McGurk will mention later in the show, hundreds of thousands of residents also dealing with power outages. Some neighbors living in the Avenues and Sugar House area of Salt Lake City tell me they woke up to damage to their property. One resident we spoke to showed us her fence that was destroyed from her neighbor's fallen tree. She says the damage will cost her thousands of dollars, adding to the list of obstacles she's faced this year, like many of us.
It's been quite a ride. COVID, earthquakes, now this. I mean, I think, I don't know what is next, but I hope this year just ends. We're ready to wrap this year, I think, as a community, or the entire planet, I guess.
Other residents tell me they've been debating between waiting for crews to come clean up the tree branches or cleaning it up themselves because of the backup in calls. Coming up next on ABC4 News at 4:30, we'll hear from a family who spent the day cleaning up on what they thought would have been their child's first day of school. Emily, back to you.